stressed lately. Sometimes life's devastating. Gotta stay on my grind every time that I write. I feel better than I ever did, but I gotta get that cheddar for the hell of it. That's irrelevant, but I can't admit that I fellowship in this game is crazy. Making waves and taking statements to the stage. Blank pages that I fill with pain. All I see is black and gray. Crack a smile, you can call me Damon Wayans. Time fades away, I stay dropping these bars like I'm stuck inside a cage with a bunch of retards. Filled with all this rage, I just need to release. I need to find peace, I need to find me and my own identity. Just believe that I'm better than these fake MCs out here repping our streets, yeah. I've been spitting 32s, double time flipping rhymes, nothing else to do. Can I tell you I got a dream, I have a vision? Ever since I was a young one, no one never listened. But here I am now, 21 years old. I got a lot of shit up in my head, I'm letting go. I'm a man now, I know I gotta get my own. Straight from the 607, that's my home. I'm not a veteran, but they respect me though. All I need's a fucking mic and a metronome. I don't need a beat to bring the heat and let them know. There's a reason that these people call me Kid Flow. I don't believe them when I see them on the streets. It's like, hey, I follow you on Facebook, you're great. I appreciate the words, but I ain't done, sir. I promise y'all never again will I ever be.